And y'all just blocking the street. And they getting ready to go too. That one like there, he look like he'll come at you. Don't you hit them birds. See, it's raggedy. Yo, raggedy stuff.
You ain't lying.
Yeah. We're gonna record, because if anybody hit them, this video going live. Hello. The mother ducks are smart. They'll wait. They see I have my camera.
She following her baby.
Uh-oh, he looking at me, but I better not look at him. He might come charge me. He hissing. You see that? He hissing at me. I ain't coming in. Yes, the little tiny baby.